everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify playing random songs. So let's get started. So if your playlist isn't playing in order you created, shuffling might be turned on. Open up Spotify app and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the library at the bottom and here select the playlist that you're listening to. Tap onto it and look for the shuffle icon. It looks like two intersecting arrows. If the icon is green, it means shuffle is on. Tap it to turn it to green, which means shuffle is off. This ensures your song plays exactly in the order you intended. Next, you have to turn off autoplay. If Spotify keeps playing songs outside your playlist, autoplay is probably the culprit. Autoplay automatically plays similar tracks after your playlist ends. To turn it off, inside your home screen, all you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Playback. Just like that, inside here, you have to look for an option that says autoplay. Find it, and if it's on, switch autoplay off to make Spotify play only your chosen music. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.